Alright, hey, what's up, you guys? So we got the mini bike loaded up. We're going to be getting new tires, putting new tires on this, removing that fender, getting some new grips, new brake cable, and a couple other little things we're going to be doing to this. So yeah, so it's going to be just a little video on this, just getting it, up and going a little better and get it ready for some racing. So stay tuned. All right, first we stopped at the car wash. We're gonna give it a nice little bath because this thing's disgusting. So, yeah. I got new tires. Okay, you guys, so here's how the mini bike looks now. So like I had said before, we got new tires, new bearings, we greased everything, new brakes, new cable, new throttle cable. We got new grips. We pretty much brought it back to life from where the current condition was when we first got it, before we got it. Now it runs, everything, drives, new chain. The exhaust, we bent it inwards. I'll be getting another one, but we bent this one in so it can go to the middle. It does run, so it runs really good. It's actually pretty fast. We put new oil in it, drained all the old gas. It is a brand new motor as well, but it's just been sitting a little bit. We put new oil, gas, cleaned the carb a little bit, and then it already has the zip tie tied up in there, if you can see. So yeah, it runs pretty good. It's actually pretty fast. We're gonna be doing more stuff with this mini bike. I'm trying to find a seat. They're just everywhere I find them, they're expensive. So we're trying to look for a seat. And I still have my built motor that we're doing. I got all the parts in, so maybe we'll get that done, put it in here, or just leave this mini bike with this motor. It's more than fast enough already, but yeah, we'll see what we do. But I definitely want to go and get a seat, exhaust with a muffler, and do some other stuff. So stay tuned with this little bike, this little build, as well as with the other one. It's still right here. You saw my other videos, we already welded up the stuff to accept the 4-stroke. We got all our other parts over there that we took off of it. Yeah, it's kind of a mess right now. I gotta clean that up. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the mini bike, how it looks now. And we'll get some riding videos on it soon. So stay tuned, you guys, for this one. We're gonna be keeping this one around a long time as well. I'm trying to keep it a long time. We're gonna do a lot of stuff with it. I actually want to use it to start riding it around and stuff like that. I've always had a passion for mini bikes too, so we'll get into some mini bike videos. They're always fun, and they're cheap, budget friendly, easy to build to a point. And yeah, we'll start taking them off-road to the little parks and get some mini bike races going, stuff like that, off-road, on-road, and see what we can do. But yeah, you guys, thanks for watching, thanks for everything, and I appreciate it.